It's my last day on the river here today, which is sad because it's just been amazing, absolutely amazing. I'll definitely be back to explore up and down the river, some other places, and see what's going on. Basic plan for today is there's the cliff where the chub were yesterday. So full gear on today, have another go at them, and when it warms up, get the shorts back out, I think, because that was just really such a great experience, just being able to fly fish in shorts yesterday. So, yep, let's have a go on our tack. Another chub, 3 so far on the usual suspects. Yeah, very pretty fish. Still no elusive trout. So, got a couple of chub down by that cliff, and then moved back to the trout bit. A couple more chub there, just down there on the right. But then decided I'm probably obsessing about that spot too much, so I want to really vary the pace and try somewhere else. So this looked like an unlikely spot. I lobbed my nymph in and then had to go and blow my nose, and while I blew my nose, a nice little trout just jumped on. So there's some in there, so let's have a go down this stretch. So another decent size and irate chub later. I'm gonna knock it on the head for an hour or so, go have some lunch. Absolutely convinced that there are some big trout under those trees over there. It's 2 or 3 very solid knocks, but just was too slow. I'm not sure I'll have time to get back to it, but I might well do. Met a French fisherman here, which is unusual, the first one I've seen, and he's spinning, and he's caught a very large barbel on a spinning rod. And I have to say 95% of the fishermen in France that I've met on the river are spinners, so there's probably a lesson there. Actually, from the way they're rooting around, I'm just wondering whether there might be barbel actually. Where is he? I'll see him again. It's there somewhere. There's a whole bunch of them down there, tiddlers together. Those 2 are sticking very close. Here it comes. Can you see this lot? All bunched up. There we go. So, answers on the postcard. I'm guessing they are actually barbel. Unfortunately, now they're right in my wake, so you can't really see them that well. Move over a bit. There we go. Yeah, I reckon they're barbel. Amazing how they bunch together like that. Here we come. So, anyone can confirm to me that's what they are. Be interested to know. Certainly showed no interest in a fly I've got at all. So that's the end of my stay here. Been a brilliant week. Really enjoyed it. Lovely river, lovely scenery, lovely weather. I really get into this minimalist fishing in shorts. It's fantastic. Great fun. So I finished off in this foam run and 1 nice trout and 1 disgruntled chub, which was a nice way to round it off. I'm heading back to the first river again now, further upstream than last time, and I've got a day booked with a guide who first showed me around 3 or 4 years ago, and yeah, he's great fun and really good, very good guide. But I thought I'd end with this. So I caught a trout and a chub on the usual suspect, the black Frenchie there, but even though I had bird's nest soup halfway up my line, they didn't seem to care. They still took the bait. So yeah, great fun, and I will 100% be coming back here.